Over the past couple of years, social media has helped change the concept of marketing. Its versatility and link to the World Wide Web made it widely accessible. Therefore, due to the rising popularity of social media in this decade, it's the best place to promote your personal brand. Posting on a social media platform is very simple. Creating a platform is completely free, and its popularity continues to grow. Here are some tips to create a positive presence in your social media profile. First thing you do is to figure out your interests such as art, music, and photography. Whatever content you post, make it unique and original. Also engage with the community and listen to their feedback. Slowly gain your followership and likability. After that, you'll finally find people that have like-minded interests as you. They can encourage, promote, and collaborate with your brand. Here's an example of a profile with a thriving positive presence. To make things clear, this is not a real profile. A negative presence is formed when a viewer is particularly unhappy about a certain post in your feed. Here's some tips to repair a negative presence. First things first, figure out what caused the problem. Once that's sorted out, apologize to the viewer personally. Don't give everyone an automated apology. Show that you care for your audience and delete the post causing the problem. Be aware of the people who you associate yourselves with on social media. 70% of the employers actually check the applicant's social media profiles, and half of them get rejected because of that one reason. So, what are some tips to maintain your presence on social media? The strongest method is consistency. Consistently upload your content and keep up with all your profiles. Also, think before you post anything. Don't forget to continue to engage with your audience. Don't post anything irrelevant to your brand. Most importantly though, learn from your mistakes and maintain a fair presence and continue to build your brand. Good luck!